Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix slow downloading in Google Chrome and increase its speed. If you're tired of waiting for downloads to complete or pages to load, this video is for you. Firstly, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, go to the Privacy and Security section and select Security. Here, select Use Secure DNS and choose either Google Public DNS or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Now, type Chrome / flags in the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the experimental features of Chrome. Scroll down and look for the option called Parallel Downloading. Click on the drop-down menu and select Enable. Next, under the System section, turn off the option to continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed and turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Finally, go to the Extensions section and remove any unused extensions that may be slowing down your browser. By following these steps, you can improve the performance of your Google Chrome browser and speed up downloads. However, it's important to note that there may be other factors that can affect the speed of your browser, such as network speed, computer hardware, and website performance. Don't forget to leave a comment and hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.